Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to write the squared symbol in Excel. We'll explore two methods to do this, within text and with numbers as well. Let's get started. The first method to write the squared symbol relies on formatting. Suppose we want to type the square meter sign. We can simply input M2 in the cell and format the number 2 to display correctly. First, select the number 2 written within the text. Then go to the Home tab and click here on the bottom right-hand corner to open Font Settings. You'll see a window where you'll find the Effects section. Check Superscript. Now click OK. And that's it. Unfortunately, writing the squared symbol the way we just did doesn't work with numbers. So if the cell is formatted as general or number, you'll have to use the method we're about to explore. For a quick fix, change the cell formatting to text. But this isn't necessary because there's another way to insert the squared symbol in a cell. And this method works perfectly well with both text and numbers. Let's delete cell C4 and return the formatting to general. Here's how to write the squared symbol using the option to insert symbols in Excel. If we need to write 5 squared, input the number 5 in the cell. And now we're ready to insert the squared symbol. Go to the Insert tab and click on Symbols at the very end. This option is handy for using special symbols and signs in Excel. We need the squared symbol, so let's look it up. Click on it and insert it using the Insert button. It appears right where it should be, next to the number 5. You can follow these steps to insert any symbol or sign you need in Excel. Once the symbol is in its place, close the window with a Close button, and that's it. If you'd like to learn more about squaring a number in Excel, check out our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.